హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ T2@mom. ఈరోజు కూర్గ్లో కాఫీ ప్లాంటేషన్లో ఉన్నాము. సో ఇక్కడ కాఫీ ప్లాంటేషన్ అండ్ కాఫీ ప్లాంట్స్ ఎలా గ్రో చేస్తున్నారు, వాటి ఫ్రూటింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అన్నీ చూద్దాము. కాఫీ ప్లాంట్స్తో పాటు స్పైసెస్ ప్లాంట్స్, కూర్గ్ స్పైసెస్, ఇంకా లవంగాలు, దాల్చిన చెక్క, మిరియాల్లో 2 రకాలు, వైట్ పెప్పర్, బ్లాక్ పెప్పర్, ఇలాచి, ఇంకానేమో కాఫీ గింజల్లో 2 రకాలు ఉన్నాయండి, కాఫీ సీడ్స్ అనేవి. అవేంటో చూద్దాము. గైడ్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆయన ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పారు, ఎందుకంటే హిందీ ఆర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అన్నాను. సో ఆయన ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసే గైడ్, సో ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఆయన ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. సో వాటన్నిటినీ ఏవేవి, ఏం ప్లాంట్స్, ఆ స్పైసెస్ ఏంటివి అనేది చూద్దాము. ఇప్పుడు మనం చూసేవి కాఫీ గింజలండి. చూసారు కదా, అవి పచ్చిగా ఉన్నాయి. అవి రైపెన్ అయితే అప్పుడు దాంట్లో నుంచి గింజలు తీస్తారంట, తీసి రోస్ట్ చేస్తారంట. సో చూద్దాము.
After that, we'll cut the bottom of the plant. From beside, we'll get a new plant. Like that, you can do 3 times. The root life is up to 180 years. After running a coffee plant, after 3 years, we will first stop from it. The beans will be the month of June. The plucking time, it is the month of December and Jan. It will be in a green color. After it ripens, it turns red color. At that time, we'll pluck it out. We'll write in the
How many days it takes for ripen?
It takes 6 to 7 months.
7 months.
So then we'll dry it out, sunlight. And then
How much size it will be?
This is the maximum size.
That only?
And then we'll peel it out. In each bean, there are 2 beans on it. You have to roast that. Then we'll get the fresh coffee. After we'll powder it. And this is a coffee plant, requires less water. So we'll plant it in slow. So the water drains away.
In which climate it grows?
This is a maximum. In this temperature, we'll get a
21 degrees. Up to 30 degrees.
30 degrees.
Grow.
Flowering time is the month of March. I don't know, sprinkle the water for that. It needs more water for branches, not for the roots. So we'll sprinkle the water for it. You'll get a white cup flower on it. On top of that, will be the buds of the flowers.
Hey.
It will be in a white color. The friends will be in jasmine foil. It is jasmine flower. And this is called bird eye chili. It will be very spicy. We'll make wine out of it also.
Okay.
That will also be spicy for you, chili wine.
Okay.
It's mainly used for weight loss and acidity purposes. And that's the maximum size of it.
Which one is the maximum? This? Okay. This is the max. Okay.
You can see a tree over there, which has a dried leaves on. And the bark of that tree
Biryani leaf.
itself is a cinnamon.
Okay.
So both will be the same tree. And
No, cinnamon where?
the same tree.
Same tree, cinnamon and bay leaves.
And cinnamon, we will take it for 10 years. We'll take 2 layers out of it.
Okay.
The upper layer and the inner layer. The inner layer is the best quality, which will get good fragrance and good flavor on it. It will be a round shape. The life of the tree is up to 80 years.
Upper layer?
Upper layer is the second quality.
Second quality. Okay. సో ఇప్పుడు చూసేది దాల్చిన చెక్క చెట్టు అండి. దాని ఆకులు కూడా బిర్యానీ లీవ్స్గా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. సో ఇది పండిన కాఫీ ఫ్రూట్ అండి. ఆ ఫ్రూట్లో 2 గింజలు ఉంటాయంట. సో అవి వాళ్ళు తీసి రోస్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఇవి కాఫీ ఫ్రూట్స్, ఇంకా పచ్చిగానే ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకా పండలేదు. పండితేనే వాటిని తీసి ఆ గింజల్ని 2 గింజలు వస్తాయంట ఒక్కొక్క ఫ్రూట్ నుంచి, వాటిని తీసి రోస్ట్ చేస్తారు.
This pepper plant. It's a creeper. it will go to 20 feet of height. We will use a ladder to pluck it out. So first we'll get it for 5 years. Life of the plant is up to 25 years. In same plant, you get both the peppers, white and black. You can see the top. So it will be in a green color. After it ripens, it turns to red color. Then we'll pluck it out. We will dry it in the sunlight, and then we'll black pepper out of it. We'll pluck the red ones. We'll soak it in water for 1 day, and then if we'll dry it, we will white pepper on it. So the black are the spicy ones, which we'll use it over here.
What will be the taste of white pepper?
It will be lesser spicier for you.
Okay. Finished?
This tree, it's called poplar tree. We'll make matchsticks out of it. Matchsticks.
Matchsticks.
After 10 years, we'll cut it out. We will dry it in the sunlight.
Once again, please tell me.
After
This is the
10
tree
years,
which.
poplar tree. After 10 years, we'll cut it out. We'll dry it in the sunlight. And then we'll remove the outer left that. Only the inner part used for matchsticks. It will be soft, it easily catches fire.
Okay.
And the leaves, it easily composes.
Okay.
Because of that, we'll plant in between of a coffee plant. We'll get natural fertilizer because of that.
Okay. Very bushy, no? That's why. Nearer only? Here only?
Here we'll go out from it.
Okay. From there we can go out.
So this is second variety of coffee, Arabica. First,
Arabic. How the what the identification?
I'll tell you. First we'll get it for 2 years.
Okay.
Life of the plant is about 20 years.
Okay.
After that, you have to plant a new plant. You can different plant by leaf and the stem. The leaves are smaller ones, stems are the thinner ones. And also the beans, it will be in an oval shape, that will be in a round shape. This coffee is a milder one.
This Arabic coffee beans are oval shape. Round shape are
Robusta.
Robusta. Okay.
And this coffee is a milder one. That's a stronger one.
That is stronger one. This is milder one.
And also for coffee, we are at a mixture called chicory. It's nothing but separate plant.
Okay.
We use the root of the plant. Coffee taste, a little bit bitter in taste.
This
to
one?
lesser the both the coffee.
Both.
To lesser the bitterness, we'll add chicory for that.
Chicory root will added in coffee powder.
Chicory plant, you can find them only in Gujarat, Assam and UP.
Okay.
In Arabica, it will be 80% of coffee powder, 20% of chicory.
Okay.
Robusta, it will be 70% coffee powder, 30% of chicory.
Okay.
If you blend both the coffees, it will be 45, 10% of chicory. It will be more stronger than both the coffees.
Okay.
Instant coffee, you will get one from Arabica. Filter coffee will get from both the coffees. And caffeine content in Arabica it is 1.5%, Robusta it is 2.7%. If you drink Arabica coffee, it will keep you active for 3 hours. Robusta will keep you active for 7 hours because of the caffeine content on.
చూసారు కదా రోబస్తా కాఫీ పౌడర్ మనల్ని 7 hours యాక్టివ్గా ఉంచుతుందంట. అలానే అరబికా కాఫీ పౌడర్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ 3 hours యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటుందంట మన బ్రెయిన్ కానీ మన సెల్స్ కానీ. కార్డమమ్ ఇలాచి. ఎస్.
First we'll get for 2 years. Life of the plant is 20 years. This requires more water for it. So after rain season also, we'll keep on pouring water for it. You'll get a separate root of the plant. You can see at the bottom, the green ones which is coming out. So they'll get the cardamom. This full is a one
No,
plant.
wait. Where we get?
You can see a green things coming out there.
Yes.
So the full is a one plant. In this plant, you get about 250 grams of cardamoms in a year from one plant. This tree,
Yes.
it's called silver oak. After 30 years, we'll make plywoods out of it.
Huh?
Plywood.
Okay.
Here we'll plant for shades because coffee plant requires less sunlight. So it gives shades for it. And
Okay.
also the roots of this tree, it absorbs lots of water. So whenever a coffee plant requires water, it takes it from here. Because of that, we'll plant in between of a coffee plant.
Okay.
So we'll get shade and we'll get water from it for both the purposes. So you can find more silver oaks over here.
Huh.
This is sandalwood plant.
Hmm.
After 20 years, we'll get the fragrance out of it.
Okay.
After 30 years, if you harm the bark, we'll get the oil out of it.
Okay.
From that oil, we'll make perfumes, creams, soaps, and all. After 60 years, we'll get up to 1.5 to 2 crores out of one tree.
1.5 to
2 crores.
2 crores.
So we have a permission only till 15 years. After that, the government come and take it out, and they'll plant it on their own plantation. You
Okay.
can find the bigger trees only in government properties.
Where we see bigger trees?
Government properties.
Government property. Yes, yes.
And you can see tree over there. It
Where?
has hangings on.
Ah, yes, yes.
So that's fish tail palm.
Okay.
Take toddy out of it.
Huh?
Toddy.
Means?
Natural liquor.
Okay.
You can see the branches. So in bottom of the branches, you'll give a pot over there. If
Okay.
you slightly the branches, you'll get sap out of it.
Okay.
If you drink it before sunrise, it will get your body. After sunrises, it fermentates, it becomes alcohol. Only the branches are used, nothing else. If you drink it in the afternoon, 1 glass is enough. It will have 60 to 70% of alcohol content on it.
That one?
This is cocoa plant.
Hmm.
First you'll get for 6 years. Life of the plant is up to 30 years. It will go to 10 feet of height and then it becomes like a bush like that. You'll get the fruit out of it. Inside that we'll have the seeds of cocoa. And then we'll dry it in sunlight and then we'll roast it and then we'll powder it. So after that we'll drink chocolates.
Chocolates. This one?
Yeah, that's it.
This one, no?
Yeah, the thin one.
Choco powder.
Yeah.
Cocoa powder.
This tree, which has a creeper on it,
Hmm.
that is clove tree.
Hmm.
First, you will get after 8 years.
Hmm.
Life of the tree is after 60 years.
Hmm.
You will get a red cup flower on it. On top of that, you have the buds of cloves.
Hmm.
You get a green color, and then we'll apply them dried in the sunlight. Then it becomes black color for you. So you'll get the clove oils also. You can directly use the oil also, or else
First it comes in green color. Then after dried it comes in black. This ginger we know. This one? Huh? Coffee flower.
you've seen the coffee beans.
Yes.
After dry process, you can start. You can see all.
Okay.
Used for weight loss.
Okay.
And then we'll put it inside this. This is a roasting machine. Here we'll roast it in 45 degrees. In half
1 second. How much time you roast?
45 degrees or half an hour.
ఇది కాఫీ గ్రైండింగ్ మిషన్. దీంట్లో గ్రైండ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇందులో మిక్స్ చేస్తారంట. ఇది కాఫీ బీన్స్ మిక్స్. కాఫీ పౌడర్లో చికోరీ పౌడర్ కూడా యాడ్ చేస్తారు. చికోరీ పౌడర్ యాడ్ చేయడం వల్ల షుగర్ ఎక్కువ వేయక్కర్లేదు. ఒకవేళ చికోరీ పౌడర్ యాడ్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్ కాఫీ పొడి అయితే మనకి షుగర్ ఎక్కువ యాడ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ వైన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. వైన్ బాటిల్స్ ఇవి వితౌట్ ఆల్కహాల్. నెక్స్ట్ హ్యాండ్మేడ్ సోప్స్, ఇంకా స్పైసెస్, కూర్గ్ స్పైసెస్, అక్కడ పండిన స్పైసెస్, ఇంకానేమో ఫారెస్ట్ హనీ ఉంది, మెడిసినల్ హనీ ఉంది, ఇంకా అన్ని వెరైటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో కాఫీ పౌడర్స్, ఇంకా డ్రైడ్ ఫ్రూట్స్, ఆల్మండ్ ఆయిల్, అవన్నీ కూడా ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఇది దాల్చిన చెక్క ఫస్ట్ క్వాలిటీ, చాలా థిక్గా మందంగా ఉంటుంది. సో సెకండ్ క్వాలిటీనే మనకి పల్చగా ఉంటుందంట. దిస్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ క్వాలిటీ.
This is the outer bar.
ఓకే,
You can see over there.
1 second. This is the second quality and this is the first quality. First quality have thick, second quality is the outer bark. ఇది హ్యాండ్మేడ్ సోప్. సో అక్కడ 50 రూపీస్ అలా ఉందండి హ్యాండ్మేడ్ సోప్.
ఆల్మండ్ ఆయిల్, లావెండర్ ఆయిల్, ఆలివ్ ఆయిల్, క్యాంఫర్ ఆయిల్ అవైలబుల్.
ఓకే, ఆల్మండ్ ఆయిల్.
ఆల్మండ్ ఆయిల్ 100 ml. Soda, normal coffee.
ఓకే,
This is a pure one. This is a with chicory.
ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇది బయటకి దారి. అక్కడ వాళ్ళ స్టోర్ ఉంది, వాళ్ళ ప్లాంటేషన్లోనే స్టోర్ కూడా ఉంది, స్పైసెస్ స్టోర్, ఇంకా హనీ, కాఫీ పౌడర్స్ అన్నీ దొరుకుతాయి అక్కడ. సో అక్కడి నుంచి బయటికి ఎగ్జిట్, ఇది ఎగ్జిట్ వే. చూసారు కదా, కాఫీ ప్లాంటేషన్ అండ్ కాఫీ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి అండ్ వాటి ఐ మీన్ వాళ్ళు ఎలా గ్రో చేస్తారు, ఎంత టెంపరేచర్లో గ్రో చేస్తారు అనేది. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ T2@mom channel.